Hello, my name is Augusto Miranda. I'm a black belt from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and I'm a head coach from Fight Nation and I'm from Brazil. We opened the gym 3 months ago, Fight Nation, and we believe the job can help a lot of people. We have a class for women, adults, kids. So if you want to try Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, this is the right place. You need to come in and have a great experience and have fun, also meet a lot of people and growing your technique and also for going outside and have a better life.
Hello everyone, my name is Bas. I'm the head coach of Fight Nation, Soy 94, Hua Hin. Welcome and join with us, Fight Nation team. If anyone would like to fight, we will fit it for you, training for free. Believe as a Fight Nation team. Welcome and join with us in Fight Nation. Welcome.